2011 Chevy Cool squeaky sound. One of the simplest ways to fix it. Squeaky sound. See, now it's making a sound. Watch it. You hear the squeaky sound? Once you take that off, what's causing that? Squeaky sound. This comes out. Why? It's probably because you have a bad gasket. Okay. Or this piece right here is broken. So take it on that one cover. Yeah, so this is one of the reasons. It's easy fix. Saves you a lot of money. Take the valve cover gasket, change it, the valve cover gasket, or you check this piece right here, or you change the cover itself, the whole cover, the valve cover itself. Very easy. So some people gonna go trying to fix all that timing, tensioner belt. The first thing when I first started working on this car, that's what I went through. I changed the tensioner. I thought it was the tensioner. At the end of the day, I end up find out that it was the valve cover gasket is bad. So it's leaking. That's the reason why. It's not supposed to be leaking at all. Alright, guys, enjoy, like, share, and please be nice and say good things.